speaking for the first time post his release is concerned, as the pictures that have been coming in, as far as many of the well-wishers who are known to the family of Allu Arjun are also reaching his residence as to welcome him, and all the live pictures that are now coming in. Somit, if you can quickly give us a description, because it seems that the actor is busy receiving the calls and the wishes from his loved ones.
Well, yes, we can clearly see here we are reporting from inside the residence of Allu Arjun, and right now we can clearly see he's meeting his brother, and also his his father can also be seen in the frame. Allu Arjun, his brother, and he's one of the actor, Vijay Deverakonda's brother. He's also here, and the director of the Pushpa movie, Sukumar, he can be seen here in that gathering there. That is outside inside his residence, outside outside the premises. So there we can clearly see they gathered there to discuss about what happened and what will be there. Actually they are also going to discuss about Pushpa 2 movie, and because recently it has crossed the 1,000 grosser. So, they will be discussing about the movie as well, and we can clearly see there right now in our frame, we can clearly see his father, Allu Arvind, who's the producer, and on the other hand, actors, Deverakonda, Vijay Deverakonda's brother, and even others. Sukumar can also be seen. He is the director of Pushpa 1 and Pushpa 2. So, we can clearly see the people, the actors, and there very shortly Allu Arjun or his team they will be speaking to media, is what we are likely to they have given us the information. So we'll have to wait and see whether they'll be speaking or not, but all the arrangements are being made now. Already once Allu Arjun has spoken while he was entering the residence. At that time he said that I'm a law-abiding citizen. I will be respecting the law, and I'll be I'll be cooperating with the law agencies, is what he has stated. So as of now, we can clearly see here all the arrangements are being made, and very shortly Allu Arjun might speak here, and arrangements for press conference are being made. And when it comes to Allu Arjun, he said that here he along with the producers and also others, they have gathered here, and they are discussing about what happened, why was the arrest done, because they still actually think that Allu Arjun is nowhere responsible. Even that is what the council has stated, and just behind me the meeting is going on. So very shortly from now, they will be responding, is what we are given to understand. So he will be speaking shortly, is what the team members are saying here, and arrangements are being made. So we'll have to wait and see they'll respond or not. But yes, when it comes to this arrest, yesterday the council has stated that Allu Arjun is nowhere involved in this matter, and he was actually arrested unnecessarily, is what they have claimed. So on political questions on his arrest and all, Allu Arjun didn't respond, but he just said that I'm a law-abiding citizen. I'll be cooperating with the agencies. And his team said that he was intentionally kept inside the prison for since yesterday night, starting from yesterday night to till today morning. So we will also be taking this up legally, is what he has said. His counsel has said. So we'll have to see whether this battle will be taken up legally in the High Court again, stating that police intentionally delayed the bail proceedings, whether they will take this up or not, because the council themselves, the council has confirmed, and with the lower court they'll be approaching very soon for the bail regular bail because High Court has given the interim bail to them. So we'll have to wait and see what all steps will be taken by the Allu Arjun's team, Allu Arjun's counsel. So our legal battle is waiting for Allu Arjun, obviously in this case, because the prosecution is very much clear. The state government is very much clear. The police department is very much clear, stating that Allu Arjun is directly responsible for the culpable homicide, for the incident happened at the Sandhya Theatre. And we know that what happened there exactly after Allu Arjun came there, hundreds tried to barge into the the theatre. They broke the gates, and finally there 3 fell unconscious, and a woman unfortunately died. Her kid is still undergoing treatment at the local super specialty hospital. So, massive turn of events for Pushpa, we can say. Allu Arjun, he was, expecting, very good news, but, unfortunately, he even said that that unfortunate, irreparable incident has reported. That incident has reported, but however, we are, supporting the family. We will stand by the family, is what Allu Arjun said. When it comes to the government, they are very much clear. Even Revant Reddy is very much clear. He said that, Chief Minister himself said that law will take its own course, and he was arrested in the case related to a woman died in the stampede. So law will take its own course, is what Chief Minister has said. And on the other side, Allu Arjun's counsel has stated that he doesn't have the knowledge about the incident. He was sitting inside the theatre when the incident happened at the ground floor, and even the counsel has argued on this point in the High Court, stating that when Allu Arjun was sitting inside, he was having no knowledge about this incident. What was police doing is what the counsel has questioned. So, one side, counsel has taken up heavily on the prosecution, and prosecution is standing, on their, stand, stating that Allu Arjun is equally responsible for the, incident, because he knew the consequences, what will happen if he come to visit to any theatre. So, however,